Welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to give you an second assignment, and the task is to change all menu items in the menu bar except the first one. And this action should be performed on clicking the Make Changes button. Let me show you what I am looking for. So that is your home page, and now you see that in the home page you have some options like home, and then I have about, then I have sitemap, and then I have upload, and then I have query. So I want you to make changes in these menu items, but I do not want you to make changes here. So you should not make changes in the first menu item, right? And you need to do this when you click on the make changes button. So let me click here. Now if I click here, make changes, see my entire menu has been changed. So let me refresh my page again. See, these are the default menu items. Now if I click on the make changes, the entire menu items have been changed. So this is what you need to do.